so excuse the fact I look pretty tired. I just got off of work, but I went to Trader Joe's and I got a ton of pumpkin goodies, and I love pumpkin, so I'm excited. I'm going to share with you everything that I got. Okay, so first things first, the pumpkin brioche bread is back. I'm so excited. This is like my favorite. I've been asking and looking around for it, so it's back. Okay, next thing I got are these pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels. I think I actually didn't get to try them last time, so I'm really excited. Next up, I got some baking mixes. So I got the pumpkin spice snickerdoodle cookie mix, which I'm excited. Probably going to do like a baking night this weekend. I'll film that and share that. I also got this pumpkin bread and muffin mix. Excited. Wow, it's like pumpkin overload. I also got the butternut squash mac and cheese, which is really good, and this sells out quick, so I'm glad I got it. I got the pumpkin cream cheese, which I'm so excited. I usually put this on top of the brioche. And then I also got a pumpkin scented candle, which I'm going to use for my baking night. I'll film that and tell you guys how it smells. And then I actually got 2 of these pumpkin body scrubs. These are they smell so good. I actually got 2 of them because last time I think I only was able to get 1 and then they sold out. But yeah, I'm excited to use this tonight and to smell like a pumpkin. So that is it. Let me know if you guys go to Trader Joe's, and yeah, happy shopping.